Good morning, grade 4. How are you all? Hope you are all staying safe and healthy. Now, today I'm going to present before you a lesson from Katha history. It is from Unit 3, Citizenship. I'm sure you have all done all the exercises which I had sent through the Edmodo about lesson 1, which is Arab Islamic identity and the factors influencing its formation. I'm happy that most of you have logged in and you have done the questions, but I am yet to receive a few of the assignments from you. I hope you will log in regularly as you do for the other subjects. You will log in and do all the assignments which I am sending for the Katha history also. So today's lesson is lesson 2, the state of Qatar's role in preserving the Arab Islamic identity. In the previous lesson, we learned about the formation of Arab Islamic identity and what are the factors which influenced its formation. I'm sure you are thorough with the lesson now. And in this lesson, we are going to talk about how Qatar state played a role in preserving the Arab Islamic identity. Mainly, the state of Qatar is trying to preserve the Arab Islamic identity through three methods. The first one is by educational development, second by establishing museums, and number 3 by creating heritage projects. These are the steps taken by Qatar government to preserve Arab Islamic identity. Now let's see one by one in detail. The first one we are going to talk about is educational development. What reformations are done in the field of education which helped to preserve the Arab Islamic identity. See, as you can see, the major, this is a picture of Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Mahmoud Center. Now, what Qatar has done in the field of education to preserve Arab Islamic identity? The first one is students are considered as the center of development, and the students are provided with all the necessary skills and information which which will help them to develop and also help them to preserve the Arab Islamic identity. Arabic and Islamic studies are given prime importance to preserve this identity. And as you can see, this center that Sheikh Abdullah bin Said Al Mahmoud Center, it helps the non-Muslims who come from different culture, languages and backgrounds, but who are ready to accept Islam. They will help them by teaching them Arabic. Now, this is regarding the educational development. Now, number 2 is establishing museum. A number of museums like Qatar National Museum, Museum of Islamic Art, Al Khor Museum, Al Wakra Museum, etc. were built to preserve our great Arab Islamic heritage. And when you visit this museum, you must have seen, you must have visited most of these museums. You can see the preserved Islamic remnants, then ancient antiquities, and also the old wooden boats which belong to the Islamic civilization, and it has been preserved in these museums. You can have a glimpse of all this antiquities and Islamic remnants preserved in these museums, which also helps to preserve Arab Islamic identity. And number 3 is creating heritage projects. Most of you, I'm sure, would have visited the Heritage Village in Qatar, which operates under the Ministry of Culture and Sports, and it really reflects the greatness of Qatari heritage. You can see the designs of Qatari clothes, then the meals or the food eaten by most of the people, then the dates, the different kinds of dates which are grown in this part of the world, and the perfumes which are made in Qatar, and also many crafts work done by men. They are all displayed in the heritage projects or in this heritage village. So students, I'm sure you would have got an idea about this lesson now, and I'll be sending you a few questions and also some online quizzes based on this lesson. You can do the assignments logging in to Edmodo, and you can go to the quiz section or assignment section, and you will find the quiz and assignment there. In the meantime, take care of your health, stay safe, have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.